Well, we have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for a contest like this place, simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here. Greatly! Oh, nearly is nothing.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
It's a loose ball. Hoists it forward. Rabiot. Good idea, just poorly executed. Bentancur plays a clever pass. Juventus on attack again. Assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Courtois sends that a long way. Casemiro. And here's Benzema. No, it's Benzema. And they've been caught out here. He gets past his man, shoots! I don't think it's gone ever so well.
Well, as Tesco featured, the keeper just received an A+ grade.
Rabiot. Just half an hour in now. Still goalless. Chiesa. Promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. And here's Benzema. Forward it goes. And it's Hazard. Bernardeschi. And the through ball is intercepted. Lobs it in gently. Cuadrado. Cristiano Ronaldo. Tries to get it forward quickly. Hazard going through. Foul and a free kick in a very dangerous area. He is going into that little black book. So the last big chance perhaps before half-time. He's there to get rid. There's the half-time whistle. Both sides have drawn blanks. Stalled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
They've never really been threatening in the first half. I think it's been a magnificent team effort. The work rate has been superb. Very, very organised.
Intriguing half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. We're already back underway here.
Well, the first half didn't really produce the goals we'd have liked. Hopefully they've been saved for the second. For that to be the case, though, we'll need to see more energy and invention early on.
By a lack of accuracy. Bernardeschi. Casemiro with the challenge, and he has given away a free kick. Varane. Varane with a long pass. It's got through to him. It's Benzema! It's there! Just the pick-me-up the whole game needs! Absolutely thundered it. Keeper, no chance.
Oh, the contact was fantastic. Right on the bootlaces and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Or whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time.
Benzema! A great save, real class.
Benzema sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Hazard, he's gone for goal. Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Hazard simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Bentancur gets it out to the wing. All the way back and they start again. Ball's out on the left now. Loose. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo! Really well taken goal. Well, there was to be no other outcome. That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, that goal just serves to give them the momentum and psychological edge now at this stage, but for me, they've got to chase a winner.
And he's going long. That's a hit! He scored! And they've got their lead back. He does it all with an air. Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Look, I just think they've kept at it, got their reward. Now they need to hang on to it.
Isco gets it back.
Juventus are definitely not going down without a scrap. Their attitude just can't be faulted.
De Ligt goes looking. Almost there, and the players can feel it.
Sing to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lights.
Isco.
So you can see.
And the referee brings it to a close. Madrid out on top. Hard fought, impossible to predict. In the end, though, only the result mattered. Reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was about hammering away in central positions, and it paid off. For me, they were